Hey you guys, welcome back. So look at this tree that's just toppled over right here. It's over here on the power lines, you guys. Like, these winds are treacherous today. So, oh my gosh, yeah, so we're gonna have some power outages all over. Yeah, the lines are snapped. They're broken in half. That's out of power there. Like, these are some extreme winds, you guys, up here today. We're up here in the Shenandoah National Park, you guys, up here, and yeah, that was definitely snapped in half. So, wow. Oh my gosh. So I'll be back with some more videos. We're gonna probably see some more stuff soon. So I'll be back with more.